This is Zahid Abbas and you are watching IT Assignment Professor channel. Today I am going to start new assignment, that is New Perspective Excel 2019 Module 3 and of the module Project 2. This is related to Sand Hills Sand River Water District. Okay. So we will put the formulas as per the given instruction. So you can download these file from the SAM website. I have downloaded these two files from the same website. So let's start from the beginning. In the first paragraph, 3 points, he is simply saying that download the file and rename it. Okay. So as you know, in the previous videos we have done this. So let's start. Go to Excel sheet, go to file, go to save as, click on browse. Just replace this one with 2 and click on the save button. So we have done this. Now move to the main questions. Our main questions start from the project step questions. So first question start from here. Okay, switch to the 2021 water projection worksheet. In cell C5, insert the today function to record the current date. Okay, so we need to go on the Excel sheet and then go to C5 cell. This is our 21 water projection. C5, this is C5. Here we will put the formula is equal to today, double click on the function, close the bracket, press enter. So this is the current date. Question number 1 is complete. Now move to the question number 2. In cell J4, create a formula using the month function to display the numerical month based on the date in cell C4. Okay, so we need to put the formula in J4 cell, which will tell us what is the numerical number of month as per the date mentioned in this cell C4. Okay, so go to J4 cell. This is our J4 is equal to month, double click on the function, then select the cell number C. Let's verify C4. So this is our C4. Close the bracket, press enter. So number 9th month is mentioned. Okay, question number 3. In cell J5, create a formula without using a function that subtracts the value in the cell J4 from the number 12. Okay, so go to J5. This is J5 is equal to bracket 12 minus J4, bracket close, press enter. 3. Okay, so this is our answer. Now move to the question number 4. Use the value in the range C9 to D9 to extend the list of the year to the range E9 to G9. Okay, so copy this first range, go to Excel sheet, paste the range here. So this is our range. We need to extend this range up to G9. Done this. Now question number 5. Use the value in the range B10 to B11, copy this range, to extend the list of the reserves number of the range B12 to B15. Okay, go to Excel sheet, paste the range here. So we need to extend this range up to B15 as per the instructions. Okay, now use the question number 6. Now question number 6, use autofill to fill the range C5 to J15, copy this range with the formatting from the range C10 to J10. Okay, so we have copied the range. Go to Excel sheet, paste the range, Control V, press enter. Okay, so here we need to put the format that is given on the above table, that table. Okay, because that table is already formatted, we need to also put the format in the below table. Okay, so what we will do, we will select this whole row, then click on the format painter and select the below range. Okay, so format is on the table. Now question number 7, in cell G10 create a formula that use the average and round function to calculate the average of cell C10 to F10 and round the result to one decimal place. Okay, so here in this question we need to put two formulas, that is one is average and the second is round. Both of the formula we will continue in one cell, that is G10. Go to G10, this is G10. Okay, so here we will put the formula, both formula. First is equal to round, double click here, then we will use the average, double click here. Okay, then we need to put the range. Our range is C10 to F10. Copy this range, Control C, paste the range, Control V, then close the bracket 1 and put the comma, and then round number, that is 1, and then close the bracket. Okay, so this is done. Now we need to copy this below on G11 to G15. G10 we have done, and G11 to G15. Just simply drag down this. Okay, this question is complete. Question number 7. Question number 8, in cell J10 create a formula without using a function that divide the value of cell I10 by the value of cell H10. Okay, copy the formula you create to the range J11 to J15. So here in cell number J10, this is J10. Here we need to put the formula without using the function. So we did not use any function. We simply put the instruction as the given in the description. Divide the value of cell I10 by the value of cell H10 divided by H10. Press enter and then drag down these values. Okay, so question number 8 is complete. Now move to the question number 9. In cell G16 create a formula that use the average and round function to calculate the average of the range G10 to G15 and round the result to one decimal place. Okay, same question as we have done in question number 7. So we will use the both formulas, average and round. So let's go to cell number G16. G16, this is our G. 16 cell number. So here we will put the formula is equal to round, click on function, then average, then we need to copy the range G10 to G15, copy this, paste the range, okay, close the bracket, comma, 1, close again bracket, press enter, okay. So 24.1 is our answer. Now he is saying that copy the formula to cell H16. Just drag this to right side. Okay. So question number 9 is complete. 4 questions are remaining left. If you have this type of assignment, you can share with me. I will complete for you. Okay, my WhatsApp and email is mentioned in the description of this video. You can contact with me anytime. We will meet in the next video. Stay blessed. Goodbye.